Please read through the instructions in the manual or watch this video in its entirety before attempting installation, and be sure to pause the video when necessary. The unit is heavy. It is recommended to have someone assist you when installing the unit to prevent damage or injury. The following tools are required. Remove all packaging materials. Take a moment and become familiar with the components that came with your LG portable heat pump air conditioner. Window and extension panels, flexible vent hose and adhesive foam seals, vent hose mounting bracket and diffuser, owner's manual, quick installation guide and registration form, remote control with batteries and mounting screws, security brackets with screws, lock nut and drain hose for heat pump models only. Place the unit on a level floor near the window where you will be installing the unit. For best performance, allow at least 20 inches of space on all sides of the unit for proper ventilation and sufficient airflow. The window installation kit allows you to install the air conditioner in most vertical sliding windows, 18 inches to 50 inches wide, or horizontal sliding windows from 18 inches to 50 inches high. Make sure there are no obstructions around the unit and window area or anything that may block the vents. Pull evenly on the folds to extend one end of the flexible vent hose. Attach the diffuser to the end of the vent hose, aligning the diffuser threads with the notch on the flexible vent hose. Turn the diffuser counterclockwise until the flexible vent hose is firmly attached. Repeat the process to attach the mounting bracket to the other end of the flexible vent hose. Measure the window opening and choose the panels that best fit your needs, using the chart in the owner's manual. Place the window vent panel assembly inside the window frame and extend the panel as far as possible so it fits tightly in the window opening. Use a pen to mark the top of the extension panel where it meets the window vent panel if necessary. Use the smaller of the two screws, type A, to hold the window vent panel assembly and extension panel together. In general, most installation instructions will have you put foam seal onto the inside of the window frame. However, when it comes time to peel off the foam seal, it will typically